Greetings from the entire team of KSGindia.com. We welcome you all. So talking about the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, next PSLV launch. Cleos Space, a Luxembourg-based company that provides radio frequency reconnaissance data as a service, on 14 September 2020 said that the 4-satellite Cleo scouting mission will be launched on board a PSLV in the first half of November 2020. In a release, the company said the satellites would be launched in the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO PSLV C-49 mission from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. The release said that the company is launching the scouting satellites under a ride-share contract with US-based Spaceflight Incorporation, with the launch managed by New Space India Limited (NSIL). The release further said the 4 Cleo scouting mission satellites have been mission ready since the middle of 2019. They were shipped to the launch site during February 2020, anticipating the launch during March 2020. But due to the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation, there has been a delay in the launch. NSIL via Spaceflight Incorporation has informed the company that the launch of the 4 Cleo satellites planned on board PSLV C-49 mission is being targeted during the first half of November 2020 based on the current status of planning of activities. This schedule is subject to change due to operational circumstances beyond NSIL control. NSIL via Spaceflight Incorporation will confirm the exact launch date once the activities at the launch base progresses successfully. Let us talk about the flashback and the things that has already been. New Space India Limited (NSIL) incorporated on 6th March 2019 under the Companies Act 2013 is a wholly owned Government of India company under the administrative control of Department of Space, that is DOS. NSIL is the commercial arm of Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), with the primary responsibility of enabling Indian industries to take up high technology space related activities, and is also responsible for promotion and commercial exploitation of the products and services emanating from the Indian space program. To satisfy the needs of its customers, NSIL draws upon the proven heritage of the Indian Space Program and Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) vast experience in diverse branches of space technology. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you so very much for watching KSGindia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos. Thank you.